Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download OpenClaw on iPhone or iOS device. In order to download OpenClaw, firstly you need to open the App Store on your iPhone, and in the top there's this search bar here. Select that search bar and you need to type OpenClaw and search for it. So over here you'll find this Claw AI. Simply select there, and what you need to do is select Get and simply double click to install it, and it will authenticate with your Face ID or your fingerprint as well. And once the installation is complete, you can open the OpenClaw app on the welcome screen or your home screen as well, and you'll be prompted to connect to an existing OpenClaw gateway. And that is it. That's how you can download and set up OpenClaw on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.